Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make baked ribs in the oven. I'm sorry for my voice. I have a cold, I think. Might be COVID, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and get to the recipe. So preheat your oven in 225 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and go through the ingredients that we're gonna be using for the rub. So I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking because my voice is just horrible, but I will surely leave the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out, okay, with their measurements. Alright, you guys, so like I said, I'm not doing a lot of talking because my voice is crappy. This is the rub that I just did. I'm just mixing everything now. Make sure everything is perfectly mixed. Use a whisk or a fork if you want. So we're gonna go ahead now and remove the membrane from the ribs. So I did rinse my meat with some white distilled vinegar. So do the same. After you've done that, make sure you pat and dry and also remove that membrane. Do that first because it will be easier to remove the membrane after it's a little bit dry. If it's still like soaked, it will be harder to remove it. You can use the paper towel or use a knife to remove it. I use the paper towel because it's not that hard to remove. Although I struggled a little bit, but it's not as hard. So yeah, just watch the video and see how I did it and do the same. You will see the what I did. So after you remove the membrane, go ahead and use a little bit of olive oil and some liquid smoke. It's since we're not using, we're not doing this on a grill outside on a charcoal grill, so we're gonna use that liquid smoke to get that smoky flavor that we get from the charcoal. It's totally optional, but I personally love that. Use it too. Charcoal is actually like a seasoning. Anyways, that's another story for a different day. So go ahead and now put your rub on the meat, on the ribs, and just rub it in. Now transfer it to the pan that you're gonna bake it put it in an aluminum foil. The side that you're gonna put that side that you rubbed on the aluminum foil, and now you're gonna do the other side. You're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon, and some liquid smoke, about a tablespoon of liquid smoke. Rub it into it, and then go ahead and add the rub. And after you do that, you go ahead and close the foil and put it in the oven for 2 hours. So go ahead and wrap it up, because my foil is not as big as I thought. I got a smaller size, so I'm gonna use another piece of foil to cover it properly, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours. So the whole thing is for it to be falling off the bone is to slow cook it, so that's why we're gonna leave it on 225 degrees. If you have not, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you. So let's go ahead and let it cook. So we're just gonna use this sauce. Use whatever barbecue sauce you like. If you have a recipe, like your own recipe, use that also. But hey, I didn't have mustard at home, and I didn't want to go to the grocery store for mustard, so I am using what I already have at home. But feel free to use whatever you have or make your own. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and spread my barbecue sauce on it. I love barbecue sauce, so I kind of added a little bit extra, and I had some extra on the side because I really love barbecue sauce. So go ahead, after you add your barbecue sauce, you're gonna put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes on 400 degrees. So I also sprinkle a little bit of red pepper flakes on it, but you don't have to, just because, you know, I like a little heat in my food. You know, I'm Asian. You guys, this is the final product. It's super juicy, super tender. It fell off the bone. It was just amazing, you guys. It's really good. I hope you really give this recipe a try. It's super easy to make, and it's not that long, honestly. You see the juice? You see that? Oh, it's delicious, you guys. Give this recipe a try. Your next barbecue. If you have a grill, oh, I can't wait to have a grill outside, to have a backyard to grill. Anyway, it's coming in the name of God. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and thank you.